and a 2 and a 1, 2, 3.
So, what have you got there for us?
Here is a strawberry.
Oh,
It comes with one piece. And here is what is this again?
let me see. It looks like
Melon?
it is.
A melon.
Yeah, I guess.
This is a melon.
Actually, it's a lemon.
And
what is
a
that?
grape. And this is a banana. It comes in one piece.
Okay.
And this is a watermelon.
Oh, I like that one.
It's so big and it has one piece too.
Okay.
And the almond has one piece. And the another almond has one piece too.
Okay.
And then a tomato has one piece again.
So tomato is a fruit?
Yeah.
I thought it was a vegetable. It's a fruit. What is that?
I don't know.
It's a mango. It's my favorite fruit.
Mango?
Yeah.
This is a mango. And here's a knife.
Awesome. Now let's start cutting up these fruits and make some yummy juice.
Yeah.
Oh wow, check it out.
The almond has 2 pieces of it.
Yeah.
And here comes the another orange.
Oh, you got it. Can I see how it looks like inside? Oh wow, check those out.
It has these 2 black ones and the orange. And it has these plants.
Nice. Now, ooh, strawberry, my favorite. Can you please cut me a strawberry? Oh, wow. That's a lot of fruits.
The strawberry.
So, what is next?
A melon.
That's a lemon, actually.
A lemon? It looks like
Oh, can I see the inside? Wow, that's interesting.
it has yellow too.
Wow. Now what is next?
A watermelon.
Ooh, watermelons are so juicy and they're so healthy. They're really good.
I love watermelons.
Yeah, I love to eat it in
And
the
also
summer.
I like oranges.
Oh, yeah.
And strawberries too.
Oh, what's that?
A grape.
Yummy, lots of grapes. That's actually a bunch of grapes.
Here, these are purple grapes and they have juice inside. And it looks so juicy and they have the plants on it.
Okay, that's banana.
It has the yellow inside.
And now we're left with
A tomato.
oh. Wow,
tomatoes-
check out the seeds.
They have seeds in it.
Yeah.
And they have these plants in it.
They're actually leaves. And what's that last yummy fruit?
The last fruit is
Let's see, what is that actually? Is it
a watermelon.
It looks like a mango maybe.
It is a mango.
Okay.
And this is Mama, this is a mango too.
That's a lemon.
It looks like a mango, but it is a mango.
Well, mangoes are a bit long and lemons are a bit like circles. They're like round. There you go. I think you got it. Awesome. Can I see the inside, please?
It's another yet. I need to cut it first.
Oh, there you go. Let's see how they look like on the inside. Okay.
They have an inside with these plants.
Well, these are a lot of fruits. Now, how about we make some yummy juice in a juicer?
Yes! Okay. First, we start with
Alright, how about, you know what my favorite is? Strawberries and bananas. Can I have like strawberry banana juice, please?
Here's bananas. Bananas.
And strawberries. Okay.
And now where's the person? Cubicles. And now I'll mix it how the egg. Let's pretend that. One banana at a time.
Okay.
And here's one banana. I'll pour the juice. There.
Ooh, so here's a fresh glass of strawberry and banana juice for me. Alright, so what kind of juice are we having next?
Today you need to help me do this again.
Alright, hold on. So let's twist it a little bit. There, you got it.
So then we gotta add
Orange?
grape.
Okay, so we'll first do the orange.
First we do an orange.
Wow, that looks even better. I love grapes.
And now we're gonna add another thing.
I would like some juice.
Yeah, juice.
Yes, please. Yummy.
Let's eat the put it back.
Okay.
Bye.
Hey, how about we feed her bananas? Would she like some bananas?
Oh, let me. Thank you. If you like this video, subscribe on my video.